and welcome back to my channel. My name's Susanna, and if you're new here, I'd love it if you would subscribe. So today we are making a gammon. So this is a traditional thing that I always do at Christmas, and I don't think it would be the same if we didn't have a lovely gammon. The question is, to glaze or not to glaze? I'm glazing. So what we're doing is we're putting it in the slow cooker, we're cooking it in some Coca-Cola. It's going to be sweet and delicious and really soft. Then we're going to add that lovely glaze. So keep watching to see what I do. So my Ninja has a slow cooker setting, and this has been in for quite a few hours now. You can cook this on high for 6 to 8 hours, or on low for maybe 3, maybe 4 hours would be good. But I am losing some liquid now, so we need to top this up, and it hasn't got long left. I'm going to check it now and see if it's cooked. But all that's in here is the gammon and the Coke. The beautiful gammon is out of the slow cooker, and now all I need to do is just take off the netting and trim the fat. I'll be back. This is my gammon all trimmed up, and it's beautifully soft. I've sliced off the end there because we had to have a little taste. And we are now ready to add the glaze. I've added 2 tablespoons of gorgeous whole grain mustard and the same of squeezy honey. Given that a mix, and we're now ready to coat. We just need to coat this fully with this gorgeous honey and mustard glaze. So be very generous and make sure that you get all the sides covered. You could put this in the oven on 180 for maybe 20-25 minutes. I'm going to use my air fryer just because I've had that on anyway for the slow cooking process, and I'm going to pop that in for around 15 minutes on air fry. In it goes. Hopefully it's going to come out absolutely delicious. So on air fry, 180 I think is going to be plenty, and we'll go with 15 minutes. This now looks incredible. It's got that beautiful sort of glazed crust. It should still be gorgeously moist inside, and we will slice this up. This adds so much flavour by doing this. I didn't want to overdo it, so I didn't go too long. I just went with the 15 minutes on the air fry, and that looks just right to me. We don't want any burnt bits. I'm slicing up this beautiful gammon ready for us to have for dinner. This is absolutely perfect to have for a buffet over Christmas. We always really enjoy this. I always cook mine Christmas Eve, and then we eat it as a cold meat or with sandwiches or like this whilst it's still warm, and absolutely delicious with that gorgeous glaze. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please hit the like button and have a go at this yourself over the Christmas period. See you next time. Bye.